Hello and welcome back to Mirror Interpretation to Drova. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy to present you the final result of my and Jose work on medical terminology, bilingual training on system called cardiovascular system. I'm here with Jose. Jose, if you'd like to introduce yourself, please, for whoever doesn't know you.
Hello, my name is Jose. I'm a certified interpreter. In Spanish, I have been working with Yoana for this platform in regards to instructional material for interpreters. It's a pleasure being here.
So this video is going to be a little bit different, guys. I'm going to present you this class. I'm going to show you the consistency of it, and so you will understand what you can expect if you decide to purchase this training. So this is our training number 1. The training duration, it's 43 minutes of a video and slides. I'm just gonna show you a few of those here with Jose so you would understand how this class is structured as. So I'm gonna show you the summary of this class, then one slide so you could see how we combined it in the 2 languages. And then I will show you in the end how we present the vocabulary. On the top of that, I'm going to show you on the training platform how the questionnaire is structured to make you practice. And I'm going to show you for the entire training, the 3 videos that we present with Jose, how they're structured, and what you can expect by this training. Can you just summarize this in Spanish, Jose, please?
El siguiente video instruccional es un preámbulo de lo que se va a ver en lo que es el entrenamiento para futuros intérpretes. Son videos donde normalmente tienen 43 minutos de duración y en estos videos se exponen las diferentes partes del entrenamiento médico para intérpretes. Es algo que va a servir de manera muy preliminar para que la persona que lo vaya a conseguir vea de qué trata la capacitación y el entrenamiento.
This is a slideshow number 1. The entire training consists 43 minutes and is called Cardiovascular System, Blood Vessels and Heart.
El primer entrenamiento es sobre el sistema cardiovascular. Consistirá sobre los vasos sanguíneos y el corazón.
This training includes the summary materials about heart.
Y este entrenamiento incluye lo que son los materiales de resumen sobre el corazón,
blood vessels,
vasos sanguíneos,
veins,
venas,
arteries,
arterias,
common disease and conditions,
enfermedades y condiciones comunes,
and a vocabulary about approximately 60 or more words.
vocabulario de aproximadamente 60 palabras.
Now we're gonna show you I will show you just a slide, guys, so you understand how we structure this video and how you would see it on the training. The pulmonary artery is an artery that carries blood away from the heart into the lungs.
La arteria pulmonar es la arteria que transporta la sangre fuera del corazón hacia los pulmones.
The pulmonary veins return blood from the lungs into the heart.
Las venas pulmonares regresan la sangre de los pulmones hacia el corazón.
The superior vena cava brings blood from the head to the shoulders and to the heart.
La vena cava superior trae la sangre desde la cabeza, los hombros y hacia el corazón.
And now I'm going to show you some of our vocabulary slides so you guys can understand how this works like. In the end, all of those slides have a medical terminology. And this is how me and Jose did this. Heart,
Corazón.
blood vessels,
Vasos sanguíneos.
arteries,
Arterias.
capillaries,
Capilares.
veins,
Venas.
high blood pressure.
Presión sanguínea elevada.
So I just read some of them so you guys understand how this training is structured. But the reason why is because I wanted you to see what you purchase, because this training will cost $47, total of 4 hours of a training. And I want to show you how the training is structured so you would be aware in advance. I don't want you to feel tricked to purchase this unless you really want to have it, unless you really want to learn those terminologies. So this is slide number 1 or video number 1 inside of this training. And I want to show you on the training platform itself how this thing work, or how this thing, it's I don't even know how to end this. I'm gonna stop share. I'm gonna try to find out how to get out of this platform. Okay, so I want to show you here, as I was saying, on the platform of the training itself, that after each of those classes, we are going to have a test. And when the test is inside of the training, or how to say this, when the test is on the, it doesn't let me put it bigger for you. I don't know why. Let me try. Okay, here is it. So when the test comes after each video, it doesn't require a passing score. It's more of a test, as you can see on the screen, where you can just exercise. And I'm gonna give you a preview of this so we can both see how this test works. Here is the first question. Let's say we choose an answer and we say confirm. If it's correct, it's gonna open a grid with explanation. If it's not correct, let's try the next question. You still gonna see a training information below the test. So the first video consists in 10 questions, the second have a 6 question, and the third have about, I don't know, I think it's a 16 questions. They're all in English. On the top of this one, I want to let you know that below each of those videos, or below each of those trainings, you can download information. And in this case would be the vocabulary, Spanish English vocabulary. All of them have it, and you can have it for yourself. It's a PDF format you can download for free after purchasing the class. And after each of those lessons, there is a PDF of the terminology. And in the end, there would be a final exam. Let me show you. So it's gonna be combination of the first 3 quizzes, which is gonna be in English only. The total amount of this question will be 27 questions in English. And then we're gonna have a Spanish test, or Spanish vocabulary. As you could see, I'm giving you an example over here. We have the words in English, and we have to choose the correct translation in Spanish. Once again, this is 40 questions only in Spanish language. And let's say we confirm, and if it's correct, as this final exam will tell you it's correct. If it's not, we'll tell you that is not correct. And after you do the test, which should be a test to help you learn, I repeat, we use the most common things that an interpreter can encounter interpreting in cardiovascular. These training will be useful for you, would prepare you for your interpreting sessions. In the end, you are going to be able to see and receive a certification that would look like that, with your name, the training, including the 4 hours, and that you pass. The passing score of a final test is 85%. And as I repeat, this is cost of $47. Let's go ahead and demonstrate you the second video. It's called Cardiovascular System, Blood and Blood Pressure.
Sistema cardiovascular, presión y la presión sanguínea. Sangre y la presión sanguínea.
This test will include the summary and slides talking about the human blood,
Sangre humana,
red blood cells,
glóbulos rojos,
white blood cells,
glóbulos blancos,
platelets,
plaquetas,
blood pressure,
presión sanguínea,
anemia,
anemia,
sickle cell anemia,
anemia de células falciformes,
high blood pressure,
presión sanguínea elevada,
hypothermia,
hipotermia.
and vocabulary, approximately 50 words.
Vocabulario de aproximadamente 50 palabras.
Let me show you. We can do any slide here. Most common red blood cells are corpuscles, hematodes, erythroid or erythrocytes with main function deliver oxygen to body tissue.
Los glóbulos rojos más comunes son los corpúsculos, hematocitos, eritrocitos o eritroides, cuya función principal es llevar el oxígeno al tejido corporal.
And now we're gonna do one slide for you with the medical terminology. Veins,
Venas,
bone marrow,
médula ósea,
bacteria,
bacterias,
injured,
lesionado,
carbon dioxide,
dióxido de carbono,
erythrocytopenia,
eritrocitopenia,
body tissue,
tejido corporal,
fluid part,
parte con líquido,
muscle cells,
células musculares,
and bone cells.
células óseas.
And now I will stop share the screen for a second and try to show you the third slide, or number 3. The total duration of the last video is 2 hours and 28 minutes. Once again, me and Jose are going to demonstrate you just a little part of this training. If you decide to purchase, it's $47 US. And once again, this is slide number 3. Let me share with you a view slideshow. And the third part is called blood tests and common procedures in cardiovascular.
La tercera parte sobre el sistema cardiovascular y exámenes de sangre comunes y procedimientos comunes.
And this is going to include a specialist involved in cardiovascular.
Esto va a incluir especialistas que se involucran en la parte cardiovascular,
Blood tests,
exámenes de sangre,
bone marrow transplant, and another transplant or transfusion of blood, for example.
trasplante de médula ósea u otro tipo de trasplante, o por ejemplo, trasplante de médula ósea.
And most common surgeries and procedures in cardiovascular that you will have to interpret for.
Y también los procedimientos más comunes a interpretar, como en las cirugías más comunes en cardiovascular o cardiología.
Some vein procedures.
Procedimientos de venas.
Common tests related to
Exámenes comunes.
cardiovascular system. And medical terminology once again.
Y nuevamente, terminología médica.
Let's do, I don't know, one slide here. The proton bind time, or so-called PT time or pro time, measure how long take to the blood to clot.
El tiempo de protrombina o PT o protiempo mide lo que tarda la sangre en coagular.
The coagulation test measures the presence of activity of 5 blood clotting factors.
El examen de coagulación mide la presencia de actividad de 5 factores de coagulación.
The test screen for bleeding abnormality and can be used to monitor the medication treatment that prevent a blood clots or that patient can take.
El examen verifica si hay anormalidades en el sangrado y puede ser usado para monitorear los tratamientos por medicamentos que previenen coágulos sanguíneos.
Hemoglobin A1C is a test used to diagnose and monitor diabetes.
La hemoglobina A1C, este examen se utiliza para diagnosticar y monitorear la diabetes.
And let's check. This is a lot of slides here, about 90 slides you're gonna see. And here in both languages, I just wanna, let's do one test. The radioactive tracer called contrast is injected into the bloodstream as you exercise to measure the blood flow to the heart muscles.
Un marcador radioactivo llamado contraste es inyectado en el torrente sanguíneo mientras se realiza el ejercicio para medir el flujo sanguíneo hacia el músculo del corazón.
I just want to clarify, this is talking about exercise tolerant test or a stress test, just because we jump into the slides super fast, so you guys understand.
Esto quiere decir que esto es un tipo de exámenes que es con respecto a la prueba de tolerancia de esfuerzo. Y estas diapositivas se ven así porque estamos escogiendo de manera muy rápida para que pueda el lector o la persona que va a aprender verlo de manera preliminar.
And let's do some medical terminology here. Cardiac surgeon.
Cirujano cardiotorácico.
Aneurism.
Aneurisma.
Interventional radiologist.
Radiólogo intervencionista.
Vascular surgeon.
Cirujano vascular.
Neurosurgeon.
Neurocirujano.
Anesthesiologist.
Anestesiólogo.
Cardiovascular anesthesiologist.
Anestesiólogo cardiovascular.
Blood test.
Examen de sangre.
Elbow.
Codo.
Complete blood count, CBC.
Hemograma completo. CBC.
Weakness.
Debilidad.
Fatigue.
Fatiga.
Bruising.
Moretones.
And this is what you will be able to download in the end of this class. I just wanted to create this short presentation of this cardiovascular Spanish English bilingual training that me and Jose did. This training will be available together with the time that I will publish this video on YouTube, so you can click on the link below and you can purchase this training, approximately 3 hours and 30 minutes of a videos, and approximately will take 4 hours to complete. If you study the terminology, maybe a little bit longer, but I just put 4 hours to complete and to do the test, and will receive a certification in the end. The price will be $47. Do you like to say it in Spanish, Jose?
El entrenamiento preparatorio para lo que es los estudiantes de interpretación es un entrenamiento que va a durar aproximadamente unas 3 horas en total y tiene un valor de $47. Va a incluir muchas cosas y es un entrenamiento muy completo que va a incluir mucha terminología, va a incluir muchas explicaciones y va a incluir también muchas descripciones sobre los procedimientos más comunes.
And thank you guys. If you find this video useful, I see you love the bilingual Spanish English medical terminology. You will eventually love this training. I will leave everything in the description box below. And thank you, Jose, for being here. If you like this video, press like, share, and subscribe. And gracias, Jose. It was a pleasure to create this video with you. Thank you,
Muchas
guys.
gracias.